dreads, I got your girl. Putting on my dreads, I got your girl. Putting on my dreads, I got your girl. I want your girl. I want your girl. Y'all thought it was gonna be a new auto-tune plugin and I ain't get my hands on it. First things first, what we gotta understand, this is Xpitch. Okay, we have a tune section, a keyboard, a shift section, and then we see down here at the bottom we see group, and I have it in low latency mode so I can talk without it lagging. If you don't want it in low latency mode, you cannot record with it without it being here, right? If you put it in HQ, you're gonna lag. When we look at the plugin, we got the tune, we can set the key and the scale. So we got the sharps and we got the flats. They made it very easy for us to set, right? And then we see the scales. We got the major scale, the minor scale, the chromatic, harmonic, major pentatonic, and minor pentatonic. Okay. And then we go down to the bottom and we see transition. So this is going to be your speed. So you remember what waves tone real time looks like. We see like the speed, right? Think of waves tone real time with the speed, right? So this is going to be your speed of that, right? So we go over. You hear how that like got right there, right? So that's the transition. So if you want it to sound more natural and the notes to transition more smoother, you reduce it, right? And then you see how this goes. You see how that shape changes. So it's like it's going to be a harder transition. So it's going to be faster. All right. And then we'll just bring it back. Sustain is going to be your vibrato. So like autotune is going to say vibrato, whatever like that. Waves on real time says vibrato. This is going to be your sustain because I think Metatune says sustain as well. And then we look at strength. So this would be your retune like strength, right? This would be the power as we see, because transition can be all the way up. Like without the strength, transition doesn't work. All right. So when we look at it, we see these little dots, 3 dots, they're blank, they're empty. There's something cool, like when you go up, we see the lights come on just a little bit, right? It's getting filled in just a little bit more, right? And we hear how the tune is coming in there, right? And yeah, you see, and when it's full, it's at 100% strength, right? So even with transition being back, it's not gonna work, right? So these two need each other. So if you want your tune to hit and you want to dial back the strength, you want to make sure your transition is matching, right? So you're gonna hear like this right here will be a little bit more natural. If you want to dial this back a little bit more, that would be natural. It's very simple on how you set those. And the cool thing about this, the Formant, I love Formant plugins. This reminds me a lot of Altar Boy and Vocal Bender in a way, because it's just like
it's simple. Like, see what we do? Like how we did that, and you see the voice, and it just sounds like this. Right?
And going
right, and then we got the mix
knob, and we can bring the mix knob to the left, and then it just has this crazy blend of a voice, and we can just blend that to whatever our needs would be. You see, you hear how you see how that work, right? So, and then shift, we can't use shift in low latency mode, and I'm not gonna click it and turn it off because I don't want it to mess up my screen recording here, because we don't want those problems. But shift would be able to be used in the HQ, the high quality mode. And then we look at the keyboard. The keyboard is pretty much self-explanatory. Whatever key in the scale is gonna select it. If we want to take out notes on the keyboard, we just hit the minus. If we want to add it back, plus. Want to hear what it sounds like? So that's in that key, like that's that scale. Those are the keys for that scale. That's what they sound like. But this plugin does something very unique. All right. It's called quantum key. And you see when I talk, right? When I talk and I hit these notes and it's like doing purple. All right. So if let's say you record a vocal and the vocal didn't have auto-tune, right? Then you try to mix it and put auto-tune on, it don't sound right. So instead of it just trying to correct only the keys that's in the scale, and if you don't know what keys are in the scale need to be corrected, they will it will literally analyze what's going on and select those keys. So like with this right here, I'm just talking, let's say I lock the scale right here, right? So, and I bring this up. Watch you play the beat. Yeah. So like I heard that was bad, right? So let's take that out, right? Yeah. So like we can see that jump right there, right? We can figure that out. So that was a weird jump. Now watch this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. So that's a weird jump, so we know that's gotta be there, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. So like this pretty much simple. Like it did it. I mean, then we know these not supposed to be in here. So like, watch this. See, those not in there. So we just take those out. Like they don't sound right. But it figured it out, right? So if we had certain notes that needed to be corrected, we could correct it, right? So, but we just go back to A minor and it's just simple. But the quantum key is crazy. Like that's crazy. Like that shouldn't even be able to do that, but you could do that, right? So what I'm about to do now is push the plugin to its limits. We're gonna test it. We're gonna print. We're gonna do a lot of different things with this plugin to see what we can do. So let me know what you think about this plugin in the comment section below. Yeah, yeah, got your baby mama playing with my dress. 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 Go shawty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way. Yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. I had yo ho playing in my dress. Got yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. Got yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo girl playing in my dress. I got yo girl playing in my dress. I got yo girl playing in my dress. She playing with my dress. I got yo ho playing with my dress. I got yo ho pulling on my dress. I got yo girl pulling on my dress. I got yo girl pulling on my dress. Got yo girl pulling on my dress. Alright, so it was just something simple, just fucking around, right? So let's see, running around. Yeah, yeah, got your baby mama playing with my dress. 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 So it sounds good right there. Got your baby mama playing with my dress. Got your baby mama playing with my dress. Got your baby mama, she playing with my dress. Got your baby mama, she playing with my dress. Go shawty, go, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way. Yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. Got yo ho playing in my dress.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright.
Yeah.
That's it. Got your whole playing in my dress. Got your girl pulling on my dress. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, got your baby mama playing with my dress. Got your baby mama playing with my dress. Got your baby mama, she playing with my dress. Got your baby mama, she playing with my dress. Go shawty, go, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. It's your birthday. I want you in the worst way. I want you in the worst way.
I want you in the worst way.
Yo ho playing in my dress. I got yo ho playing in my dress. That's interesting. Let's see, one more time. Let's just try it one more time from the T now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got your girl laying in my bed. I got your girl playing with my dress. I got your girl playing with my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. That sounds clean, bro. That sounds clean.
That sounds clean. I got your girl playing me more. I got your girl playing on what? I got your girl pulling on what? I got your girl pulling on what? I got your girl pulling on what? I got your
Girl pulling on my chest. Got your girl pulling on my dress. Got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl. I got your girl. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress.
I got your girl pulling on my jeans. I got your girl. I want your girl. I want your girl.
I want your girl. I want your girl. I want your girl. Yeah, I want your girl. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yo, that's vibing. I'm vibing. That's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy though. That's crazy though. Honestly, I was just vibing because it's like the only way to see what a plugin sound like is to mess with the plugin, right? Yeah, 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 yeah. That's the C, right?
Yeah.
As you can see, I ain't got no other plugin down here. It's crazy, right? Yeah, this plugin crazy. I got your girl laying in my bed. I got your girl playing with my dress. It's crazy though. I got your girl playing with my dress. It's crazy. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. That sounds clean, bro. That sounds clean.
That sounds clean. I got your girl playing me more. I got your girl playing on what? I got your girl pulling on what? I got your girl pulling on what? I got your girl pulling on what? I got your
Girl pulling on my chest. Got your girl pulling on my dress. Got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl. I got your girl. That's crazy. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl. I got your girl pulling on my dress. I got your girl pulling on my dress.
I got your girl pulling on my jeans. I got your girl. I want your girl. I want your girl.
I want your girl. I want your girl. Yo, like this plugin is crazy, bro. Like it sounds crazy. Like I gotta redo the order. Oh man.